Hey guys, it's Cat Pizzeria, and today I'm going to be opening these squishy, yum squishies. I have been collecting these. Sometimes I even find these. Make sure to like and subscribe this video. I'm just gonna, and we're going to open these because it's much easier with scissors. Alright. So right now, you got a cute little elephant, and pretty soft. Alright, put that off to the side. Alright, and we got a fluffy cloud, or should I say squishy, and it's made in China. I think this one is too. Oh, it doesn't say. It's probably made in China though. So, time to put these in my collection. I'll clean this up later. Geez, it's only a minute long. So, here's all my squishies. Well, these look alike. I'm going to put my elephant right here. I actually found these two on the ground for some reason. And that. Oh yeah. And here. I also got a purple cat. He's definitely my favorite. Besides this one, it's a lucky cat and a panda. And maybe him. Peeps. And that's why, okay, and make sure to like and subscribe, and like, and comment down if you have any squishies that look like these, because these are adorable. And yeah. Bye. See you in the next video or short.